Muvhango star arrested for stealing millions. An employee of Muvhango appeared in court this week after being arrested for allegedly stealing over $3 million from the show's petty cash. According to Sowetan, the man is facing fraud and theft charges. The charge sheet alleged that the man apparently created fictitious service providers and would sometimes pay out cash from the petty cash into his own account while pretending to pay service providers. The case was postponed to October 17 for plea and bail application, while the man remains in custody. Word of Mouth Pictures General Manager Ernest Manetta said he could not comment on the case. Reports of theft at Muvhango first emerged last month, with media stating that the loss would not affect the talent on the show.